Welcome to Motse Village Reconstruct Project. Motse Village Reconstruct Project is a village reconstruct project service program to reconstruct business and tradition. A Motse Village Reconstruct Project service program to reconstruct business and tradition business methods. A village reconstruct business talk and clear line of communicating to end our present economic stagnation and oppression and restore business stability. At Motse Village Reconstruct Project, we are saying, let us pause and reconstruct our business minds and get ourselves out of economic stagnation, ourselves, and our point of departure and our present economic oppression must never be allowed to be our lifelong struggle to maintain, and must somewhere, as we build our village economy, therefore come to an end. And the sooner we stop point fingering to each other and start reconstructing our business minds, our economy and our society, the better we will get ourselves out of economic stagnation and oppression and joblessness. And our point of departure is to fix our communicating line by going back to our traditional way of communicating within each other and reconstruct our business minds and have a clear line of communicating. Remember, a clear line of communicating and not talking, passing each other will end our present economic oppression and finally lead to our total economic freedom and liberation. Motse Village Reconstruct Project. Registration number is 2020-800-546-07. And the description of Motse Village Reconstruct Project business: title, to write, to publish, to present video documentary and business presentations. The Motse Village Reconstruct Project service program and to initiate invention on the origin of Motse tradition village origin and to implement a village reconstruct business talk and discussions on Motse tradition marketplace to reconstruct business and tradition and provide business solutions where business and tradition often intermingled and conflict, and ensures business continuity by making DNA blood test related relatives positive relationship through the last touch solemn declaration of soil to soil, business to business Mushat Connect Center, Horo Yamshat, approved by the Court of Law, and to authorized local modes, village community, Horo Yamushat Authority, to monitor local village business and tradition business practices and religious activities practices on behalf of national government, and by employing 130 individuals for each tradition in Nkosi village area to work in rotating shifts at village economy building initiative projects, at work the land initiative projects, at business for all business establishment businesses, and at and to learn on ancestor family traditions learning and education and tradition programs to keep and to maintain forever and ever. This is for purposes of maintaining Motse Village Reconstruct Project business machinery and Motse Village Reconstruct Project registration number 2020-800-546-07, copyright reserved products and trademark to market Motse Village Reconstruct Project service program and Motse Village Reconstruct business talk documentary chapters platforms initiatives 1A up to initiatives 13, videos and business presentations. And a new concept, job design, business village model and strategies, job define and job analysis. And a business village model and strategy to trade in village reconstruct business and in village reconstruct commodity. the Motse wa Ragolo to Gola site, heritage, pride, and Motse wa Ragolo tradition marketplace, and Motse wa Ragolo village reconstruct project operating site to reconstruct the business and tradition, and to write and publish to present video documentary and business presentations, and to sell Motse wa Ragolo village reconstruct project implementation business idea for clients across the globe to buy and sell for profits by initiating, inventing, and investing in their individual ancestor tradition, village origin, researching, and their originator, grandfather of their ancestor family tradition name, totem, moano, and sereto, a poem, and invest in Motse wa Ragolo village reconstruct projects, business village model and strategy, and build village economy that will create local employment and turn ancestral tradition village into a modern constituent business village. Motse wa Ragolo village reconstruct project is a village reconstruct project written by Mahoka Alpheus Manung, director and Rahul of Motse wa Ragolo village reconstruct project. Thank you very much for now.